Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize or enable your reading pane in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to customize the reading pane in Gmail, you just simply have to open Gmail in any of your browsers. After opening Gmail, you just simply have to click on this setting button at the top. From there, you will get many settings. You just simply have to scroll down to the bottom. From here, you'll get the reading pane option at the last. Now, select the customization that you want. You'll get No Split, right of the inbox, and below inbox options. Just simply click on the option that you want to set and reload your Gmail app. From there, your reading pane will be customized. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.